Hi guys, welcome to Sunny's F and Delicious. Today we're making a chicken pesto quesadilla type thing. Keeping it very simple, starting off with some chicken breast. I'm going to go in with some pepper, touch of salt. Dish is going to be quite rich, so I'm not going to over season the chicken breast today. Just keep it simple. Granulated garlic, touch of olive oil. Rub the seasoning in. Alright, let's get that pan on a medium temperature, nothing too aggressive. And just going to lay our chicken breast in. And that gentle sear, that's all you want to hear at this stage, nothing too aggressive. Okay, while our chicken breast is doing this thing, let's get the rest of our ingredients ready. Shop bought marinara sauce. I'm going to make like a bit of a flatbread pizza type of thing, and that's going to be like the base of my wrap or quesadilla, whatever you want to call it. And let's go with some cheddar cheese. Just a touch of pepper. Right, let's flip our chicken. Beautiful, looking good. Well, I'm just going to wait for this chicken to finish cooking. We're looking at about 3–3.5 minutes per side. Actually a bit less because it was a bit thinner. And then I'm going to carry on with the rest of the dish. So I didn't flatten this chicken out, so I'm just going to put it on its side now just to finish cooking. Okay, right, my chicken is done. I'm going to go ahead and place that on my board just to rest. I've got a dry pan here. Put this on a medium heat. Place in our wrap on the dry pan and just let this come to temperature while that chicken just cools down and finishes cooking. Right, let's just prepare a salad. Tomatoes. Kale, just remove the stalks. And some walnuts. Olive oil. Okay, if we take a look at our tortilla here, it's looking good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this into the grill for about 30 seconds. Right, 30 seconds on a hot grill just to finish cooking that cheese and just grating a little bit of a char on it. Lemon juice. We're going to go in with some pesto. So 1 heaped teaspoon of pesto. Come back to our chicken now. Just cool down a bit. And we're just going to go nice thin slices. Look how juicy that chicken is. If you could pick that up from there. Straight in. So hot chicken. And that's going to, the hot chicken is going to mix with the beautiful rich pesto. Combine that together to create a beautiful pesto chicken. Okay, we're going to go straight on with our mix. Beautiful. Trick is not to overfill it. Right, let's get this folded over. Beautiful. Let's give it a gentle press. And we're just going to let that get a bit of a toast on it. Give it about 35–40 seconds on a low heat, and then we'll flip it. Beautiful. Take it off the heat. Straight onto our board. And we just want to let it rest for a few seconds. Let it cool down slightly and just set. Okay, this looks beautiful. Let's go straight down the center. There you go, look at that. Beautiful midnight snack. Just gonna go with a bit of cheese. Why not? Let's just get stuck in. Lemon makes it. Cuts through everything. Chicken's perfect. Walnuts are amazing. Beautiful this is. And guys, you gotta make this one. It's not just delicious. It's Sunny's effing delicious. Beautiful.